Hi, everybody. I trust that you've all had an amazing day. I just wanted to take a few minutes out of this evening to tell you guys about my current vacation. So, you may have seen me posting pictures and videos, and yes, I'm actually in Las Vegas, Nevada. So, if you don't know, Vegas is a place that I've always wanted to visit. Some people may have seen my YouTube video where I showed my vision board and some of the places that I wanted to go, which was one of the biggest push for me in starting my travel business. I've always had a great desire to travel. So once I got started and I kept a note, I kept my bucket list of all the places that I wanted to visit. Las Vegas has always been one of them. So once I started my business, I thought, okay, you know what? I'm going to study all these places. So I began to study and I studied Las Vegas and I actually became certified. I became a Las Vegas specialist. So after becoming a specialist, I thought, what better way to top it off than to actually take a trip? And so I decided to take a trip. And it's super exciting. I'm still very excited for the duration of the time that I have left here. And I just want to take some time to show you guys my hotel. I know it's dark now, but I'll show you the room. And then tomorrow, hopefully, I can do a live to show you the rest of the property. So I'm actually staying at the Flamingo Hotel in Las Vegas. And I want to tell you guys that last night while I was checking in, the customer service rep that assisted me, we were actually having a conversation and I asked him, hey, do you have any upgrades for travel agents? And he said to me, I have a few options. I'll review them and we'll talk about it and you tell me which one you want. And that was so cool. So for me, that was like so exciting because I got a room upgrade just because I'm a travel agent at no additional cost to me. So there are so many perks to starting a travel business that I really love. So anyway, as I mentioned, I'm staying at the Flamingo Hotel. So I'm going to give you guys a very short tour of the room that I'm actually staying in. So I'm actually going to show you guys what I'm working with. Okay, so as you enter, there is a closet area right here. Pretty spacious. I've already packed some of my stuff inside. And there's an extra blanket over there if you need an extra blanket. Over on this side, you have the bathroom. Kinda, sorta LED mirror, or not really. Shower, which is okay. What I really love about this washroom are the dispensers, shampoo, conditioner, body wash. There's no limit to how much you can use. I think this is cool. And over here also have a lotion dispenser. So I think that's pretty cool. Now for the room, it actually has an adjoining door that I do not like because I don't know who's on the other side. But this is the room. So I have 2 queen beds, which is very spacious and very nice. A little work area right here. Right here you have a little storage area. So inside there is a safe and there's also a refrigerator and you have some extra shelves for storage. There's also a little storage area over on this side that you can put stuff in if you so desire. And let me try and show you guys the view. I really hope you can see it. I really hope you guys can see. This hotel is actually center strip, so we have a nice view of the strip. It actually looks better at night than at day. But yeah, it's really beautiful. I'm happy with it. And downstairs, the outside of the property is absolutely stunning. I do hope that tomorrow I can actually do a live and show you guys the outside of the property. So that's basically it for now. Again, I'm staying at the Flamingo Hotel. So if you wish to book this property, or if you're coming to Las Vegas and you need some options, I'm a Las Vegas specialist. Contact me for a booking quote. Thank you so much. Bye.